Smart, scalable, recession-proof. If the economy has you refreshing your banking app like it's a horror movie, relax. While most people are tightening their belts and hoarding canned beans, the smart ones are building recession-proof income streams that pay them whether the market is up, down, or upside down. This isn't another list of buy 10 properties, start a YouTube channel, or sell a course about selling courses. No. Today, you're getting 10 passive income ideas that actually work in a downturn, don't require a big budget, and are built for modern tools, real people, and 2025 reality. Thumbs up like this video if you're tired of recycled advice. Brain subscribe if you want to earn smart, not just hustle hard. Outgoing mail comment. I earn while I sleep. If you're ready to start, let's build income that doesn't flinch when the market crashes. Recession-proof mindset. Let's be clear. Passive income isn't make money doing nothing. It's do the work once, set up systems, and let automation take over. In a recession, people spend less, but they spend smarter. They DIY instead of hire, they Google instead of guess, and they value anything that saves time, stress, or cash. So if your passive income stream helps them do that, you get paid repeatedly. Light bulb 1. Micro digital products that solve micro problems. Create and sell. Notion templates for freelancers, AI prompt packs for real estate agents, budget planners for college students. Bullseye. Niche it down until it feels too specific. That's where the money hides. Real story. Sarah, a teacher, made $2,500 per month selling $5 classroom reward systems on Etsy during a recession. Because people will always spend $5 to save time and stress. Light bulb 2. Affiliate marketing, but smart, not sleazy. Promote tools that help people save money, make money, avoid wasting money. Think AI budgeting apps, cheap website builders, meal planning services. Create tutorials, comparisons, or blog posts using AI to speed it up. In recessions, people buy smarter, not slower. Be their guide. Light bulb 3. Self-updating niche blogs. Yes, they still work. Use ChatGPT to generate evergreen articles, cost-saving guides, review roundups. Monetize with affiliate links, display ads, digital products. Niche example. Affordable nutrition for busy parents. Recession equals search spikes equals passive traffic equals passive cash. Light bulb 4. Low-cost micro-SaaS tools using AI. Think smaller. A resume optimizer, a time-blocking calendar, a daily gratitude prompt generator. Use ChatGPT API, bubble.io, make.com. Zapier alternative, price it at $7.15 per month. You don't need 10,000 users. Just 200 gets you $2,000, $3,000 per month. And yes, AI will handle 90% of the backend. Light bulb 5. Faceless YouTube automation in evergreen niches. Recession-resilient channels like budget living tips, motivational quotes, side hustle reviews. Use ChatGPT for scripting, 11 Labs for voiced pictory, Runway for visuals. Monetize via YouTube AdSense, affiliate links, digital product shoutouts. Even if ad rates drop, long-tail views keep stacking. Light bulb 6. Etsy printables for stressed-out parents. Budget sheets, chore charts, meal prep templates, homeschool planners. Made on Canva. Sold on Etsy. Parents don't stop parenting in recessions. They just desperately want structure. And if your printable saves them time, they'll pay. Real case. Mom Brain Printables made over $60,000 per year from printables during COVID. The demand is still climbing. Light bulb 7. Coaching without coaching, passive info products. You know something? Package it. Not as a full-blown course, but a 10-page guide, a 7-day email sequence, of recession-proof toolkit. Use Systema.io for automation, Gumroad for low-cost delivery in a downturn. People want clarity. You provide it. Once, forever. Light bulb 8. Stock photography or digital assets, AI generated. Use Midjourney or Ideogram to generate Frugal living, photo sets, recession-themed illustrations, remote work, B-roll, upload to Adobe Stock, Shutterstock, Creative Market, get paid per download, passively. Companies are still buying media, they're just avoiding custom shoots. Light bulb 9. Domain flipping for recession keywords. Buy domain names tied to fear or frugality. Work from anywhere now.com, debt-free familyplan.com, AI-frugal-tools.io, park them. Build quick landing pages, rank them. Sell later, or use them to funnel traffic into affiliate offers. Pro tip. Domain value goes up when demand spikes during hard times. Light bulb 10. Micro rentals of useful stuff, not just real estate. Forget Airbnbs. Think. Rent out a standing desk, baby gear for traveling parents, camera gear or podcast mics, portable EV chargers. List on Fat Llama, Friend with A, or create your own mini landing page. Money bag, cash flow from assets you already own. That's real passive, recession or not. There you go. 10 passive income ideas built for people who don't want to go broke when the world goes weird. No fluff. No, build a 40 video course. No, you need a $5,000 budget. Just smart, lean systems, powered by AI, strategy, and a little creativity. Repeat button, build once gear, automate smart money bag, get paid repeatedly. Thumbs up like if you learned something real. Brain, subscribe for modern money strategies that don't insult your intelligence. Speech balloon comment. I earn while I sleep, and I'll send you a personal emoji of approval. And maybe respond too. Because remember, in a recession, money doesn't disappear. It just changes hands. Make sure some of it changes into yours.